How to connect PS4 controller to Acer laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to connect your PS4 controller to Acer laptop. Let's get started. To connect a PS4 controller to your Acer laptop, you can use either a wired USB connection or Bluetooth. Here's how to do both. Option 1. Wired connection. Plug in the USB cable from the PS4 controller to your Acer laptop. 2. Windows should automatically detect and install the drivers. 3. The controller is ready to use with most games and apps that support gamepads, like Steam. Option 2. Wireless connection. Requirements. Your Acer laptop must have Bluetooth. Steps. Step 1. Hold the PS button or share button on the controller at the same time. Hold it for a few seconds until the light bar starts blinking white. This means it's pairing mode. Step 2. On your Acer laptop, go to Settings, Devices, and Bluetooth and Other Devices. Turn on Bluetooth and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Step 3. Select Wireless Controller from the list. If asked for a PIN, use 0000. Step 4. Once connected, the light bar should turn solid color, usually blue or yellow. For best compatibility, especially with Steam or PC games, use Steam Big Picture mode or install DS4 Windows, a free utility that emulates an Xbox controller using your PS4 controller. And that's it! You successfully connect your PS4 controller to your Acer laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.